You will suffer in life to being an understanding person or a nice person. Other people, they are bullying you now for being a nice person. Sometimes to raise your voice is very good. Not everything you keep quiet, you want to keep quiet. Other people, guys, they are being bullying you, and sometimes you can get hurt inside. So sometimes when you talk, maybe you talk to that person, your problem with that person, it's better to fight than to keep quiet all the time. Other people, guys, they can take it for granted. They can take advantage of being nice, of being a good person. So sometimes, guys, when you raise your voice, it's better. It will help you, because sometimes those people, maybe they have to stop to bully you when you raise your voice. So sometimes you are an understanding person, even in relationship, when you want to understand every time. Other people, guys, they don't have pity for you. That person is going, guys, to hate you more and more because of being nice person or of being understanding person. So sometimes to raise your voice or sometimes to talk about it is good. Even maybe people, they can say what they say, but you have to talk again, because other person can bully you or clap you. You have to clap that person again, not another person clap you and you keep quiet. No. And they are going to bully you every time because they know that you are a good person, you don't do anything to them. So do something for yourself, defend yourself. You have to defend yourself, because when you don't defend yourself, those people, they are going to continue doing the same thing to you.